Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today is the day 4 and I will be embroidering this cute friend of mine, and let's begin. Make sure you guys have subscribed me and hit the bell icon to never miss any video. And I'm here with starting with the outline of this with the black 2 strands and just with the stem stitch, completing all the outlines of his face, hands, feet and everything. You can use this second style of making the stem stitch like this as I am making right now. Style of making and achieving that same result, or you can use the style one, the regular one. Here and starting from this second area, and you can see it's pretty much done. Again, using the white and a little gray strands for these inner outlines. In the same way, with the same stitch, I'm just completing these inside lines. Inside and completing that whole area. So we are done with his face, and let's quickly do his wings. So I just did a few things without the camera on, and let us see how to complete this same effect of a woolen scarf. Right now I'm using two different threads with all the 6 strands of each color. It means I have knitted the thread with 12 strands in total, and here just making a chain stitch with one color of strands each time, like this. I'm just making a loop with a yellow one and pushing out the needle. Then again this is I'm with green one, then push the needle inside, bringing out the needle from another point here, and make a loop with this time it's yellow one, and just push out your needle, making a chain stitch like that. So it is a nice interlaced color kind of thing, so this gives a nice woolen effect, the knitting effect. And with this, make a complete row like this and push your needle inside to complete it. Again, bring out the needle from the bottom and start the same process of making a loop with one color and bringing out the needle. Then again pushing it from that center only as we do in a chain stitch, and just bringing it out. So this way, I hope you are clear on the style that I'm using. And this way I have just created his woolen scarf right now, as you can see. So isn't it looking cool, guys? And now it's time to make his feet. I'm choosing a different color and just completing it with a satin stitch. Same color I'm gonna use for his beak and the same stitch. So we are now pretty much done with the thing, and now it's time to embroider his eyes. For that, using the black thread and just making the buttonhole stitch, that buttonhole pinwheel when I'm using it in a loop. Simply bringing out the needle from the loop of the thread like this, and it's completing that area, it's filling up it. So now using the different thread to complete his eyes, and using the same buttonhole pinwheel stitch. it's here. If you're enjoying the video with me right now, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends so that they could get it. And just using the white strand to make a little highlight for the eyes. Now it's time to fill up his hat. For that, I'm using the yellow strand and just making the loop stitch, the cobweb loop stitch. Like this in a row. Once the whole row is completed, I'm making another row of that same loop. And the base of the hat is done. Now to complete it, I am using the satin stitch to, as you can see, this is the whole cap is divided into different areas, and filling up one single area with one strand at single time. Just narrowing the area like this, and it's done. Simply, I am just completing the rest of the areas. You can use two colors. And for the end, I'm just making this little ball of threads. This is all for today, and if you like this video, Make sure you hit the subscribe button.